Hey Cancer, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. I'm saying this both ways because Cancer, I feel like this is what you're going through on your side, but then I do feel like for some of you guys, you were dealing with someone that could be going through this. I'm seeing it both because I'm still hearing Cancer. So Cancer, I'm going to just say it. So Cancer, some of you guys could be in a codependent situation. It could be a relationship, a marriage, a situationship. There's some type of codependency going on, or whether, you know, with family. It could be anything. But Spirit is saying you need to let go. You have got to free yourself from this situation because you're not happy. But for some reason, you're feeling stuck or you're feeling obligated to stay in this situation, whether it's for financial reasons, whether or not it's because of children, whether or not it's because of a marriage. There's something going on, and I'm picking up you because I keep hearing Cancer, or you're dealing with a Cancer. Now, for others of you, if this message isn't for you, if you're not a Cancer, it's the person that you were dealing with. This person is trying to free themselves from a codependent situation that they're not happy in because they know that they want to come back to you, but there's something going on to the point where they're feeling stuck. So, yeah, honestly, y'all, it could go both ways. That's why I always say vice versa. So, you know, just take it however it fits, but I'm seeing it both ways. You and it could be the person that you were dealing with. So, let's see. Okay, Spirit. General reading, please, for my Cancers. What messages do you have for Cancer? Okay, guys, let's see. Bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Swords reversed. So this is basically telling me that a decision has been made. So let's see. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. If not, this could be your energy. Maybe you guys are just trying to stay positive because of everything that has been going on. Yeah, see, a decision. You guys made a decision that you want happiness. But honestly, see, I'm getting it both ways. Okay, so Cancer, this is you. I feel like you're trying to stay positive. I do feel like you made a decision that you do want happiness in your life. But in order for that to happen, there's some things that has to be changed about you. Like, you know, the way you're thinking, the way you're moving in life. You have got to make some changes. Now, for others of you, if it's someone that you were dealing with, maybe you're not really talking to this person, or there's been like little to no communication. I do feel like this person looks at you as a positive person that they want to have in their life, and they made the decision because it's like they want to be with you, which is why they've been trying to free themselves from a situation that they put themselves in, because it's like when they think about you, you make them extremely happy. This person in the past was being sneaky towards you, and see, they know that in order to be with you, they have to change. Those sneaky behaviors, the things that they were doing, it has to come to an end, because I do feel like they're going through their karma, you know, if it's pertaining to someone else. So let's just see how this plays out, because it's still going both ways. Yep. There's an offer here. So for some of you guys that were dealing with someone from the past, I do feel like there's an offer. But this person feels like you deserve better, like you're not going to take them back. See? This person wants to have a new beginning. Clarify the Empress. Maybe somebody's birthing something new. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. I'm picking up past person, guys. So right now, I'm feeling like this person that you guys were dealing with off and on, yeah, they messed up, and they want to have a new beginning with you, and this is why they're moving slow, because when they do come back, they want to make things right. So that's why they're trying to get out of some type of codependent situation that they put themselves in. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but I feel like they know that they hurt you, and they're afraid that you're not going to open up, like you shut down, like your guard is up if they want to come back. You know what's so interesting? Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but the Hierophant came out reversed and it landed right on top of free yourself. I'm telling you guys, whoever you were dealing with, this person is trying to get out of a relationship or a marriage. There's something going on this person is trying to free themselves from. And it's like they know that If you know that they were in a relationship or a marriage, they hurt you. If you don't know and you were maybe speculating because it's like this person wasn't being honest, you couldn't find out the truth, they kept it on the low, they know that if they come back and speak their truth and you find out what happened, you're going to shut down on them. You're going to shut down. But I'm seeing it two ways. Yeah, see, this person wants to have a victory with you. And see, they're coming back. They want to turn things around. They want to work things out. Yeah, somebody is stuck in some type of codependent relationship or commitment due to finance. There's something going on. Because, see, this person is afraid that things may not improve with you because of what they did. Tell me more. Didn't come out, so I ain't going to take that. Let's see. See, I told you this person broke your heart. They definitely were in some type of third-party situation. And see, they're getting advice trying to take a leap. The Fool landed right on top of codependency. They're talking to someone. Whether, you know, let's say if they're in a relationship or a marriage and there's children involved, or they're trying to get out of a marriage, they could be consulting with a lawyer, or they're talking to someone. They're definitely getting advice because they're trying to break free from this codependent situation because they want to take a leap to come towards you. Tell me more. This person ghosted you. They left you out in the cold. And I do feel like now, whoever they're trying to break free from, this person is being left out in the cold financially because I feel like this person is going to have to pay up. This person is going to have to come out of pocket. Yep. There's a decision that was made. Let's see. Tell me more. This person is going to come back and apologize to you, but they just don't have the confidence to do so right now. But they do want to have a happy home with you. Tell me more. But this person is thinking about what they did in the past. And that's why they're not being positive. I'm telling y'all, this person, they messed up bad. See, and they're having a hard time coming towards you, Cancer. Could be vice versa, but they're having a hard time. See, because in the past they were feeling stuck in this situation. And see, now they're freeing themselves. They're coming out of it, and they're getting ready to speak their truth to you. Let's see. Okay. All right, hold on. Cancer, you could be dealing with another Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Also, somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But let me tell you. So, this person wants to speak their truth, but right now they're not moving forward because they're trying to get out of that toxic situation. So, remember I told you, they're trying to free themselves from something codependent. This is it. They're going to break free. But see, the thing is, they know that if they come to you and speak their truth to you, whether you knew what was going on or not, they think you're going to go off on them. Because it's like, you deserve the truth, and what they have said to you in the past, what they have done to you, they pushed you away, they shut you out. That's why you guys are the Queen of Swords. So it's like you do want to hear them out, but at the same time, you're over them. You're over the nonsense. Because, see, they didn't bring balance into the situation. And because of their ego and their pride in the past, I feel like this person that you were dealing with was very arrogant. And I feel like now they're realizing that they want to be with you. And they don't want to argue with you. This person wants to have stability with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Somebody also could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But see, this person here, they wear a mask. Like, this person does have a hard time showing emotions, speaking their truth. But they feel some type of way, like they feel bad for everything that they have put you through. They're regretting their decisions. And see, this person wants to have a new beginning with you. Tell me more. But they're afraid that they're not going to have that new opportunity with you. And this is why they're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo here. But I do see an offer coming in for someone here. Tell me more. Yep, look. Ace of Cups. I'm telling you, somebody's going to give you an offer of love, and it is a secure offer. But see, they're afraid that you don't want to build with them anymore because they put you through a lot. A lot. Back and forth with the lover. See what I'm saying? This person, you could have been dealing with a Gemini, but this person loves you, but they created a lot of obstacles in the relationship between the two of you. And I do feel like this is what's holding them back because they know they didn't bring balance.
But see, there's the Ten of Pentacles. They want stability with you. They want marriage with you. But see, there's been somebody standing in the background trying to stop it. And this is why this person was being harsh towards you in the past. It's like they chose someone else. But I do feel like they now regret it, because they're going to rush back in to speak their truth. They are going to come and give you an offer. But at the same time, this offer, it is a small offer, because of the simple fact that they know that you don't trust them. They know you look at them sideways. It's like they messed up big time, and so they have to prove themselves, and they're trying their best not to look back at what happened in the past, because I'm telling you, they're regretting, and it's like they're looking at themselves like, how could you do that to him, or how could you do that to her? And see, because at one point they felt like they lost you, because they did put themselves in some type of codependent situation. I feel like listening to other people, and see, now they're coming out of their energy. They're no longer confused. They know what it is that they want. But see, again, this person didn't balance things out with you in the past, but I feel like they do want to come back to make things right. At the same time, they want to have a peace of mind with you, and I do see this person being single. So if they're in a relationship, marriage, whatever the situation is, they're going to come out of it. And see, they're going to work really, really hard to win you back, because they have to show you consistency. They have to show you that they mean business this time. Also, if this person took a hit financially, I do feel like they are trying to get their stability together, because they did take a hit. See what I'm saying? It's a lot of pentacles here. But I do feel like this person made a decision when it comes to you, and they're coming out of feeling sad. This person, I'm telling you, they did take a financial hit because of the situation that they put themselves in, and see, that was their karma, and they're coming out of that energy. They're coming out of, like, kind of like feeling sorry for themselves. You just dragging their feet, like they know what they need to do to win you back. Tell me more. See, they want to balance things out with you. It's like they choose you. And see, I told you that, you guys, they've been regretting their decision. They're definitely regretting it. And see, this person's frustrated with themselves because they had you waiting. You have been waiting for a long time for some of you guys, from what I'm picking up, for them to get their stuff together, okay? Y'all almost made me curse. I'm trying to do better in life. So, they've been trying to get their stuff together, okay? But I do feel like this person now, they're frustrated because there's something going on with their finances because of this individual here. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody also could be dealing with a Scorpio. But this person doesn't have hope that they can win you back because of the BS that they put you through. And this is why they're going through a transformation now. Even though they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you. They're definitely worried about that. They don't know what to do because they feel like you look at them like, this person's a player. This person has a lot of options. You always pick and choose other people over me. You take care of everyone else but me. You know, it's kind of the energy I'm picking up. So, this person made a decision. They don't want you to cut them off. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But see, the thing is, even though they're feeling this way, they're not saying it. They're keeping it to themselves. See, there's two people here. Somebody could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. There's two people. Y'all know how I feel about my court cards. It could be two men. What we see here could be two women. But there were two people. Somebody was keeping it to themselves that there was a third party here. Remember I told y'all in the beginning they have to come and speak their truth, but they're afraid, excuse me, they're afraid that by them telling you what's really going on, it's over. But there was somebody else here. And see, there was a tower moment. Honestly, I just heard somebody got played, too. And it's interesting because, see, there's the Three of Cups reversed. There's somebody got played. And you know what? I'm really starting to feel like whoever this is resonating for, the person that went off with someone else, whether they were in a relationship, marriage, whatever, they thought that they could really have something with that person, so they put all this effort, all of this work into this individual, but that person played them. Honestly, that could also be why I see two people here, because I know that there was a third party between you and the person because they were dealing with somebody else, but I feel like that person put them in a third party situation, and that was the tower moment. Now that's that aha moment. I see things clearly now. But for some reason, they're still not using their intuition. And I feel like it's because of fear. Because they messed up. It's like their tail is tucked between their legs now because they feel stupid, to be honest with you. Tell me more. Yeah, they were being childish, very immature towards you guys in the past. And see now, look,